On January 7, 2024, many Orthodox Christians will celebrate Christmas Day, a date determined by the Julian calendar, which runs 13 days behind the Gregorian calendar used in the West. This occasion is not merely a different date for the festivities but represents a rich tapestry of traditions that vary from one Orthodox community to another. Orthodox Christmas Day's history is deeply intertwined with the early Christian Church's decisions on liturgical calendars. The day honors the Nativity of Jesus Christ, an event celebrated with distinct liturgies and rituals reflective of the Eastern Orthodox tradition. The importance of Orthodox Christmas Day lies in its focus on the spiritual aspects of the holiday. It's typically preceded by a period of fasting, symbolizing spiritual preparation and purification, leading up to the Nativity celebration. The festivity starts with a nighttime liturgy on January 6, which is rich in hymns and scriptural readings that tell the Christmas story. The celebrations of Orthodox Christmas vary by region. In Russia, it's a day of both solemn ritual and festive joy, including a traditional Christmas Eve meal known as the Holy Supper, featuring 12 dishes symbolizing the 12 apostles. Serbian Orthodox families might burn the bad jack, an oak branch or log representing the wood of the manger and the fire that warmed the newborn Christ. In Ethiopia, the day is marked by the Gana festival, where people dress in white traditional clothes and participate in church services and games. One key thing to remember about Orthodox Christmas is its emphasis on the spiritual renewal and joy of the Nativity. Despite the differing customs, the unifying theme is a celebration of the birth of Jesus and the coming of God into the world. The role of Orthodox Christmas in societal cohesion and global understanding cannot be overstated. It is a reminder of the diversity within Christianity and offers an opportunity for those outside the Orthodox faith to learn about and respect these rich traditions. As we look to the future, we see a growing trend of cultural exchange and interfaith dialogue around religious holidays like Orthodox Christmas. This increased awareness can lead to broader participation and appreciation across different cultures. Non-Orthodox communities can engage with this event by attending services, participating in cultural festivals, and through educational programs that explore the meaning and traditions of Orthodox Christmas. Reflective questions. How can the values celebrated on Orthodox Christmas inspire us in our daily lives? What can we learn from the Orthodox Christian approach to Christmas that might enrich our own holiday experiences? How does embracing the diversity of Christmas celebrations worldwide enhance our understanding of global Christianity? If there's one thing to take away from Orthodox Christmas, it's the enduring message of hope and peace that the Nativity brings, a message that transcends boundaries and unites believers worldwide. This content is part of the Diversity Calendar Kit, offered by Diversity for Social Impact. Copyrighted by Diversity for Social Impact.